Positioning is critical to quality in machining and assembly processes. This time, we introduce the features of Toyo Tanso's alignment jigs, which contribute to precise positioning. The process of positioning components such as solder is called alignment. The specialized jig used for this purpose is an alignment jig. Next, we introduce Toyo Tanso's alignment jig. Original machining equipment. Using our proprietary jig-specific machining equipment enables mass production of one-of-a-kind items that are typically difficult to mass produce. This achieves rapid delivery. It produces stable products with minimal variation in machining precision. Machining precision contributes to improving the quality of final products through ultrafine machining. Multiple materials and surface treatments. Toyo Tanso not only handles a wide range of materials but also offers various surface treatments. By combining these, we can solve various problems. Design support. We offer proposals for process improvements and problem solving based on our advanced technical expertise and years of experience. Please feel free to contact us about anything. Please check our contact information in the overview section.